Hello, and welcome to English for Beginners. Is there any furniture in the house? There's a mirror in the bathroom. There's a mirror. There's a mirror. There's a wardrobe in the bedroom. There's a wardrobe. There's a wardrobe in the bedroom. There's a cupboard in the kitchen. There's a cupboard. There's a cupboard. There's a cupboard in the kitchen. There's an armchair in the living room. There's an armchair. There's an armchair in the living room. There's a chest of drawers in the hall. There's a chest of drawers in the hall. What about people? Are there any people in the house? You say. There's a woman in the bathroom. There's a woman in the bathroom. There's a woman. There's a man in the bedroom. There's a man. There's a man. There's a man in the bedroom. There's a child in the kitchen. There's a child. There's a child. There's a child in the kitchen. There's a girl in the living room. There's a girl. There's a girl in the living room. There's a boy in the hall. There's a boy in the hall. There's a boy. What about animals? Are there any animals in the house? There's a bird in the bathroom. There's a dog in the bedroom. There's a cow in the kitchen. There's a cat in the living room. There's a snake in the hall. What's so strange? There's a piano in the garden. What's so strange? You say. There's a fridge in the bathroom. What's so strange? You say. There's a bed in the street. There's a bed in the street. What's so strange? There's an elephant at the supermarket. There's an elephant at the supermarket. There's an elephant at the supermarket. What's so strange? There's a beer in the classroom. What's so strange? There's a bath at work. What's so strange? There's a cow on the beach. I want to read. Is there a newspaper on the sofa? Is there a newspaper? Is there a newspaper? Is there a newspaper on the sofa? Is there a newspaper on the sofa? Is there a book on the table? Is there a book? Is there a book on the table? Is there a magazine in the bag? Is there a magazine? Is there a magazine in the bag? I want to eat. You say. Is there a sandwich in the fridge? Is there a sandwich in the fridge? Is there a sandwich in the fridge? Is there an apple on the table? Is there an apple? Is there an apple? Is there an apple on the table? Is there a burger in the bag? Is there a burger? Is there a burger? Is there a burger? Is there a burger in the bag? Is there a burger in the bag? I want a drink. Is there a Coke in the fridge? Is there a Coke? Is there a Coke in the fridge? Is there a cup of tea on the table? Is there a cup of tea on the table? Is there a cup of tea on the table? Is there a bottle of water in the bag? Is there a bottle of water? Is there a bottle of water? Is there a bottle of water in the bag? That's it for today. Thanks for coming and see you again next time. Goodbye.